It's the ease of the transaction and working with DMG MORI and getting the latest technology. It works for us. It's how we'd like to take machines in the future on leases and using the finance.
We're here at Sandvik Coromant and we're about to find out how DMG MORI have helped with the finance and the leasing to keep you and your team, Paul, on top of the latest technology. So Paul, what is it that you're using these machines here for in your technology centre?
Yeah, sure. Probably the main focus is demonstrating our new tooling. So we'll have internal trainings and customer trainings for our channel partners, and we'll demonstrate how the new tools work and how best to apply the new cutting tools.
So you're going to have people coming in and out of here quite often, aren't you?
Yes, we have a lot of customers and a lot of trainings.
And so why did you go for the DMU 60 model?
Well, it was some 4 years ago, and the parent company in Sweden, in Sandvik, and they had this exact machine already, and I spoke with the technicians and the centre manager, and they give us really good feedback on its capability. So that helps us sort of keep some consistency with the type of machine tools that we have in the centres globally.
And of course, you would also say that this is a bit of a true representation of a machine tool that's out there in a typical machine shop.
Yeah, absolutely. We looked into the market to see what our customers were buying and what they were using, and we found this machine to be quite common in the market. So we wanted to have something that replicated what they do in their place of work in our centre.
And you haven't gone for a basic spec, have you?
No, we've put a C6 spindle on it, and we've got power skiving and invo milling, so we've spec'd it up quite high.
Right, but the purpose of this is really to find out how DMG MORI have made your life so much easier. So what's the story here? Because this isn't a brand new machine.
No, it's not. It's nearly 4 years old now, and when we first spoke to DMG MORI, we were looking to lease the machine, and we wanted something flexible. We wanted to get something on finance, so that gives us the ability to change the machine after 3 years. So we're keeping up with the latest technology of machine tools. But at the time of the 3 years, we wanted to extend. We wanted another year. We wanted to keep it a little bit longer. So we spoke with James and arranged a simple phone call if we could keep the machine for an additional year. He said fine. So we're actually at the 4th year now. So the flexibility and the ease of working with DMG MORI with the finance and James, it's just made my life so much easier.
And is this the first time that you've done this?
Yes, it is. It is. Previously, we've bought machines, but when you buy a machine, you don't keep up with the latest technology. Whereas if you lease over 3 years and you change the machine for the latest machine, then you're keeping up with the latest technology.
And on a personal level, we all know that the idea of leasing and finance can be quite complex. So what is it that he's really done for you then?
It was so simple. It was a phone call for the extension, and then the paperwork arrived 3 days later, signed, sent back, and then we keep the machine for another 12 months. It was simple as that. It was so easy to work with James and DMG MORI. It made my life a lot easier.
And would you do this again?
Yeah, absolutely. I think leasing machines gives you the flexibility to get the latest technology, the next machine, so you don't keep an old machine, so you've constantly got a new machine every 3 years, which keeps us right in the forefront of technology where we want to be with our cutting tools.